Hello dressers. I really don't know where to begin, but the news is finally out. I purchased a home in the Bay Area and I'm so excited to be beginning this new journey with my family. And it's been a rough couple months. Like the past couple months have been insane for all of us now that we have the virus, and there's so many other challenges in the world, but I'm happy to say that I've accomplished one of my goals for 2020, which is purchasing a house. I've been keeping it quiet because it was just so uncertain. Some days I was getting a house, other days I wasn't getting a house, but for the next year and a half, we're gonna be together on this amazing journey of redesigning the house of my dreams and getting a home that is not just gonna be a house, but a place that you never know, I might begin a family or something. But I want you all to be along with me. I want you all to come along with me for this journey. Support me, email me your suggestions, your ideas, because I'm going to be designing and remodeling a completely new home. That's crazy. So let's begin recapping the progress. It's been so hard to keep this as a secret from you guys because I love telling you everything that's going on, but a lot of you noticed all of the boxes. The boxes were rough, but they were a part of the whole process. I had to go through the boxes to be able to get to this moment. I'm so thankful to God and to my family for making this possible, and especially my partner in life who is a pillar and has helped us accomplish this amazing goal. So let's watch this vlog and see how it all began. So we've begun the process of home renos. So I'm gonna take you along for the process. Hope you guys are ready. It's gonna be crazy because I'm super picky and I'm not compromising on all the things that I want. So stay tuned. He likes that one. I'm still looking around. I like this a lot. It's really cool. So we're loving this. I'm loving this because I love hosting people. I think this would be a great addition to our home. And yeah, I like the sink, but I need a bigger sink because I put a lot of dishes in the sink. But yeah, we're loving this layout. So we took some pictures. Hopefully this is something that our designer, interior designer, and team can recreate. Yeah, it's coming together. It's been a long journey and finally we're at the finish line. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Stay tuned to see the moment we've all been waiting for. Stay tuned for the moment we've all been waiting for. It's here, finally. So here's a moment we've all been waiting for. We are signing on our home in Oakland. How do you feel, Hub?
Great.
Finally, it's been too long. Finally, I'm never coming back to Toronto.
It's official.
It's official. It's been a journey. So excited to begin a new chapter. Guys, this is my new house. I can't believe it. This is my new house. This is why I've been in boxes for weeks. And can't wait to begin a whole new life here with my husband, maybe some littles, and my family. This is what we've been working on. Look at all those unique design details. I'm so happy. I'm so so happy. So we're in what will be my office. I can't wait to have an office. I've been like dying to have an office for forever. I've had like rooms, but this is gonna be like an actual office where I can sew, I can create content, I can connect with you all more. So yeah, I'm so excited to just have my own space. And we're gonna work on it together, right? You guys are gonna be with me for the journey, and we're gonna get a lot of great brands in here to make it beautiful. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. Not only purchasing a home, but actually having an office for MsChurchDress. So thank you for being with me from the very beginning, dressers. Thank you for being with me from the very beginning, dressers. I appreciate all of you. So we're standing in what will be the kitchen. I love that I'm going to be able to build this house how I want it. So the kitchen as it is nothing like what it's going to be. Yeah, so just call me like some type of interior decorator, because that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of years, pretty much redesigning this home to what I want it to be. My husband and I want it to be. Are you guys ready to come along with me for the journey? If you have any suggestions or recos, let me know. If you are an interior designer yourself and you want to collab with me, hit me up. And let's make this the MsChurchDress dream house. Let's work together. This is my house, y'all. Who's ready to do a remodel? But it's gonna be beautiful after. I'm definitely keeping these. I like these type of details. They're like my type of style. I like houses that have like that charm factor, so I'll be keeping those. But everything else is gonna be changed and upgraded over time. So I hope you guys are ready for the journey. You are right, dressers. So there you go. That's pretty much how it all happened. And the next year is going to be all about interior design, remodeling, picking lights, and picking tiles. I hope you're going to be with me for the journey, and I'm open to all of your suggestions. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see everything behind the scenes. My Insta stories are going to be with updates, and we're going to have a lot of fun things planned. So who's ready? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what room I should do first. Should I do my office, the bathroom, or the master? Thank you, dressers. Bye for now.